a little bit of a different type of stuff. The battery connector got torn off the pads, so the plus and the minus are relatively easy to fix, but you know, there is two data plus, data minus for the battery, and then you gotta get those tiny wires, get to point here and over here. I mean, it looks pretty rough right now, but it will be all right. We gotta make sure that the battery can be actually placed on and connected on here, and then all the contacts and all the wires are properly connected. So we're gonna get this done now. Just a little bit of variety. It's a laptop of a friend of ours that asked us to get it done, so we're gonna have it done for him, and he's gonna have a working battery again. So we got the main contact soldered in, plus and minus. Still a lot of flux on it. It's not a final product, but I'm getting the tiny wires are aligned now. See, from this one it goes over here, and from this one it gotta get to this. Well, we're gonna put it on this dot over here, and then I'm gonna cut them off here and here and here. And we should be good. So I'm gonna get them on and get them cut off. All right, so we got it touched over here and over here. These are the contacts where it's supposed to go. Well, originally the trace was going right to here, but this point has a direct contact with this, so we can just shortcut it to this instead of doing this. On this, it was going from here to here, so we just got it a little longer, but it's not a big deal. It's gonna work just fine. Now I'm gonna cut them off here and over here, and then clean it up. All right, so the wires are cut off. Now we got a cleaning stage. We got it cut here and over here, and now we're gonna get it cleaned up. All right, so this is how it looks under the scope. One is here, one is here, and now we're gonna put the mask on top so it wouldn't wiggle or get removed by accident or by any kind of a excessive force. Let's check the contact just in case. We got contact here, and we got contact here. This is what we needed. All right, so we positive. And negative. So good. All right, well, let's put a mask on and seal everything. All right, so here's the final product. We got UV glue or mask over here that is transparent. We could use the red one, but I decided to use the transparent so it will be seen if it needed to be worked again next time. You know, people can see what's going on there. And it's pretty solid. It's not gonna get moved anywhere. The whole thing is glued to the board too, so you're gonna have to put a real good force on it to rip it off again, but hopefully this is not gonna happen. Well, thank you for watching. This is QUBEX Data Recovery, and we got a supplemental type of work today related to the battery connector on a ASUS laptop, ASUS ROG, which is Republic of Gamer gaming laptop. And this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like, and this is the connector over here. That's how it looks on board. Well, thank you for watching. This is it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video, and take care and don't rip the battery connectors off. Here's the final product, the real final product. Battery is connected, lock is in place. It's a little angled here because this part was slightly damaged, the bottom one, but we still managed to get it locked, so it's not going to come off. And then the clear quote. So let's get it charged up and ready for a pickup. This is the model. So the charger plugged in, we got the charging light on. Let's see. Yeah. Sadly, I don't have a pin for this computer, and it also set up for fingerprint. Obviously my fingerprint won't do anything, but it is charging. The light indicator is on, so we're good to go. I'm gonna shut it down now. It's ROG ZEPHYRUS. Thanks for watching.